Switzerland. Have you ever dreamed of a place where time feels like it slows down, where every moment is a postcard comes to life? Imagine a land where crystal-clear lakes reflect snow-capped peaks, where vibrant cities are nestled alongside serene alpine villages, and where even the smallest traditions tell a story. This is Switzerland, a country that seems to defy expectations at every turn. It's not just about the chocolate or the iconic mountains, it's about a lifestyle that balances innovation with simplicity, modernity with deep-rooted heritage. Here, the trains run like clockwork, the cheese is practically an art form, and the scenery, it might just leave you breathless. Today, we're diving into the heart of this remarkable place to uncover the quirks, wonders, and hidden gems that make Switzerland one of a kind. Ready for the journey? Let's explore. A small country with big surprises. Tucked away in the heart of Europe, Switzerland shares its borders with Germany, France, Italy, Austria, and Liechtenstein. Though modest in size, this nation wields remarkable global influence and cultural importance. Renowned for its precision, think legendary Swiss watches and beloved exports like chocolate and cheese. Switzerland is also synonymous with neutrality. This peaceful policy has positioned it as a hub for major international organizations, including the World Health Organization (WHO) and the World Trade Organization (WTO). But Switzerland is far more than luxury goods and diplomatic prestige. It's a captivating blend of old-world allure and forward-thinking innovation. Curious to discover what sets this small country apart? Let's explore some of the most intriguing and surprising aspects of Switzerland. Swiss unique strange facts. 1. A presidency like no other. Unlike most nations, Switzerland doesn't have a single long-term head of state. Instead, the presidency rotates yearly among the 7 members of the Federal Council. This approach ensures that no one individual wields excessive power, promoting collaboration and equality at the highest levels of governance. Picture explaining this to a visitor. Our president changes every year. It's like a game of musical chairs, but for politicians. This distinctive system reflects Switzerland's deep-rooted commitment to fairness and collective leadership. It's a living example of how shared power can function just as effectively, if not more so, than centralized authority. Curious about what political harmony looks like? Switzerland might just hold the blueprint. Underground bunkers for all. Here's a surprising fact. Switzerland has enough underground bunkers to house its entire population in the event of war. These bunkers, equipped with essentials like supplies, ventilation systems, and generators, are designed to sustain life for weeks. Despite their famous stance on neutrality, the Swiss take preparedness seriously, like an action movie unfolding beneath the surface of everyday life. With over 300,000 shelters scattered across the country, these bunkers symbolize the nation's meticulousness and resilience. For travelers intrigued by the idea of stepping into one, some of these bunkers are accessible during peacetime, offering a quirky and fascinating glimpse into Switzerland's unique approach to readiness. It's a detour that's equal parts practical and extraordinary. Vaults for more than just money. In Zurich, bank vaults go far beyond safeguarding gold or cash. They're the ultimate guardians for rare treasures. These high-security havens store everything from ancient artifacts and exotic wine collections to, believe it or not, racehorses. Yes, in Switzerland, it's entirely possible to ask, "Can you keep my horse secure for a few months?" and receive a professional nod in return. These vaults are not just impenetrable but designed with luxury in mind, offering climate-controlled conditions tailored to the most unusual of valuables. Priceless artwork, heirloom jewelry, and other one-of-a-kind possessions find a home here. It's a reflection of Switzerland's unwavering commitment to security, trust, and discretion, a reputation that remains unmatched worldwide. The toilet law. In many Swiss apartment buildings, there's an unspoken rule: avoid flushing the toilet after 10 p.m. While it's not an official law enforceable by the police, it's a cultural courtesy rooted in maintaining peace and quiet. Picture yourself tiptoeing to the bathroom like a stealthy ninja, all to keep harmony with your neighbors intact. It's a quirky custom that underscores how deeply the Swiss value consideration and respect, even in life's most private moments. A small gesture, perhaps, but one that speaks volumes about their dedication to living in harmony. 5. Rent a cow for the ultimate Instagram moment. In the Swiss countryside, you can rent a cow to take the ultimate Instagram-worthy photos. These bovine beauties are accessorized with charming flower crowns and traditional bells, adding a touch of alpine magic to your snapshots. Imagine sharing, "Here's me and Bessie, the most glamorous cow in the Alps." This quirky trend blends the charm of Swiss rural life with the allure of social media, creating unforgettable memories and envy-inducing selfies. Some of these cows even have loyal fans who return year after year to snap photos with their favorite four-legged celebrity. It's a whimsical and uniquely Swiss experience, proving that even farm animals can steal the spotlight and add a dose of fun to your travel story. No goldfish left behind. In Switzerland, even goldfish get to live their best lives thanks to a law that requires them to be kept in pairs. The Swiss believe no goldfish should endure loneliness, reflecting their profound commitment to animal welfare. This law isn't just for goldfish, it extends to other social animals, ensuring they thrive emotionally and socially. Think about it, even pets as small as goldfish enjoy a social safety net in Switzerland. This compassionate approach to animals makes the country a sanctuary for pets of all kinds, highlighting the Swiss dedication to kindness and well-being for every creature, big or small. Wrestling with tradition. Schwingen, Switzerland's age-old wrestling tradition, is as fascinating as it is full of grit. Competitors, clad in sturdy canvas shorts, face off in sawdust rings, aiming to flip their opponent onto their back. The victorious aren't just rewarded with glory, they're crowned with wreaths and, on occasion, gifted livestock. Yes, you could quite literally wrestle your way to winning a cow. Talk about raising the stakes. These matches are a highlight of vibrant festivals, where the atmosphere buzzes with laughter, sportsmanship, and an unmistakable sense of Swiss pride. Attending a Schwingen competition feels like stepping into a living piece of history, wrapped in the energy of a modern-day celebration. So, tell me, would you step into the sawdust for a chance to take home a cow trophy? Fresh milk, vending machine style. In the charming Swiss countryside, vending machines offer something delightfully unexpected: fresh, raw milk straight from the farm. Stocked daily to ensure unmatched freshness, these machines deliver a taste of Switzerland's pristine nature with every sip. Here, the experience is refreshingly simple. Bring your own bottle, fill it with milk as pure as the alpine air, and enjoy a moment that's both delicious and deeply connected to local traditions. Imagine yourself standing in a picturesque meadow, savoring milk so fresh it redefines the term. Who needs a fancy cafe when you can indulge in Switzerland's ultimate farm-to-table experience? It's a flavorful way to connect with the heart of Swiss agriculture. Voting on everything. In Switzerland, democracy isn't just a concept, it's a way of life. The Swiss hold referendums on almost every issue imaginable, from shaping national policies to deciding the color of benches in local parks. With citizens voting up to 4 times a year, direct democracy is deeply ingrained in their culture. This system ensures that every opinion matters, creating a unique sense of engagement and responsibility. Imagine waking up to find it's voting day for the design of a new neighborhood fountain. Where else would such charming decisions rest in the hands of the people? Switzerland proves that democracy can be both detailed and personal, making every voice count in the most remarkable ways. Ice skating in summer. Zermatt offers a one-of-a-kind experience, ice skating on natural rinks, even in the middle of summer. Thanks to its high-altitude alpine climate, the ice remains perfectly solid year-round, creating a surreal setting. Picture yourself gliding effortlessly across a pristine rink, dressed in shorts and sunglasses, surrounded by breathtaking mountain vistas. It's an unforgettable fusion of winter magic and summer vibes. After your skate, why not spread out a picnic under the warm sun? It's the kind of day you'll only find in Zermatt, a place where seasonal boundaries blur and extraordinary experiences become the norm. Combining the thrill of ice skating with the laid-back charm of a sunny day, Zermatt leaves visitors with memories to treasure for a lifetime. Taxing dogs by size. In Switzerland, the size of your furry companion directly influences the taxes you pay. Larger dogs incur higher taxes, encouraging owners to choose breeds thoughtfully and consider their impact on shared resources. This ingenious policy helps fund pet welfare services and urban cleanliness, ensuring communities remain harmonious for both residents and their 4-legged friends. If you have a Chihuahua, you're in for a tax break that feels like winning the lottery. On the other hand, Great Dane owners might find themselves budgeting a little extra for their gentle giants. It's a prime example of Swiss practicality and precision, proving that no detail is too small, even when it comes to pets. Edelweiss fire alarms. In the remote corners of Switzerland, the Edelweiss flower, an iconic national symbol, has an extraordinary role beyond its delicate beauty. Sensitive to rising temperatures, this remarkable bloom opens rapidly when exposed to heat, acting as a natural alarm for potential fire hazards. The idea of relying on a flower to protect your home feels almost magical, yet it's a testament to the Swiss commitment to sustainability and harmony with nature. By turning this fragile bloom into a life-saving tool, Switzerland demonstrates how tradition and innovation can blend seamlessly. Who would have thought a simple flower could be both enchanting and heroic? A town without police. In the idyllic town of Appenzell, law enforcement is entirely absent, not because it's unnecessary, but because it's simply not needed. Crime rates here are so low that residents resolve conflicts themselves, guided by mutual respect and time-honored traditions. Doors are often left unlocked, creating a sense of security that feels almost surreal. It's a community where trust triumphs over regulation, and peace is maintained through collective responsibility. If you've ever imagined living in a real-life utopia, Appenzell might just be the answer. But let's be honest, could your neighborhood thrive without the reassuring presence of a little law enforcement. Marathon through caves. In St. Luc, adventurers take on a marathon like no other, through dark, winding caves buried deep in the Swiss Alps. Armed with headlamps and a fearless spirit, runners traverse challenging paths filled with narrow tunnels and sudden, dramatic drops. This isn't just a test of endurance, it's a journey into the unknown, where every step feels like part of a daring expedition. Picture the thrill of racing through places untouched by daylight, your heart pounding as shadows dance on the cave walls. It's like stepping straight into an Indiana Jones adventure, minus the deadly traps. Would you be bold enough to tie your laces and take the plunge into this subterranean challenge? Trains that never run late. In Switzerland, trains are so impeccably punctual that even a 30-second delay can raise eyebrows. The country's railway system operates with an astonishing level of precision, mirroring the Swiss reverence for time and efficiency. Missing your train by mere seconds might sting, but rest assured, the next one will arrive exactly as scheduled. For locals, this unwavering reliability isn't just a convenience, it's a way of life. Imagine a world where every commute runs like clockwork, transforming frustration into seamless travel. If more countries followed the Swiss example, wouldn't the rhythm of daily life feel so much smoother? Could your daily routine hold up to Switzerland's gold standard of punctuality? Which of these strange facts surprised you the most? Are you really curious about this country after all those out-of-the-earth facts? Let us know in the comments. The precision and hospitality Swiss. Swiss people are renowned for their punctuality and attention to detail. Life in Switzerland moves with the precision of a finely tuned watch, both figuratively and literally. Yet behind their reserved nature lies a culture of genuine warmth and hospitality. Visitors frequently speak of the kindness and helpfulness they encounter from locals. While the Swiss take their rules and organization seriously, they also know how to unwind, especially when surrounded by their country's stunning natural landscapes. Family gatherings, vibrant local festivals, and time spent in the great outdoors are central to their way of life, reflecting a perfect harmony between work and leisure. Switzerland is a linguistic mosaic boasting 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. This rich diversity makes every region feel like a unique cultural experience. Each language infuses its areas with distinct traditions, cuisines, and lifestyles, creating a miniature Europe within the country. The coexistence of these languages fosters cultural exchange and a deep sense of inclusivity. Whether you're savoring fondue in German-speaking Zurich or enjoying espresso in Italian-speaking Lugano, every encounter offers a glimpse into a different world. Swiss women have been instrumental in shaping the nation's identity, blending tradition with modernity. Known for their independence and leadership, they contribute significantly to fields like politics, business, and innovation. Switzerland has made significant progress in empowering women, with many breaking barriers on both national and global stages. At the same time, they uphold cherished traditions, crafting intricate lace, producing artisanal cheeses, and hosting seasonal festivals that bring communities together. Through their efforts, Swiss culture thrives, seamlessly bridging the past and the future. Balancing professional and personal lives, many Swiss women embody the nation's commitment to excellence. They thrive in industries like finance, technology, and education, while also contributing to social causes and environmental sustainability. For example, initiatives led by Swiss women often focus on renewable energy and green living, reflecting their forward-thinking values. In their daily lives, they embrace outdoor activities, whether it's hiking in the Alps, skiing, or simply enjoying the tranquility of a mountain village. Their resilience and dedication make them an inspiring part of Switzerland's cultural fabric, demonstrating that precision and hospitality are not just national traits, but personal ones too. But it's not just about languages. Swiss people deeply value education and self-improvement. They prioritize lifelong learning and ensure that their younger generations receive top-tier education. This focus on personal growth is reflected in their innovation and contributions to various fields, from technology to the arts. Have you ever met a community so dedicated to mastering both the little and big things in life? Timeless precision, the history behind Swiss watches. Swiss watches are far more than tools for telling time. They're icons of precision, elegance, and unmatched craftsmanship. But how did Switzerland rise to dominate the world of watchmaking? To uncover this tale, we must rewind several centuries and delve into a fascinating history. It all began in the 16th century when John Calvin, a Protestant reformer, implemented strict religious rules in Geneva, banning the use of ornamental jewelry. This prohibition challenged local goldsmiths and artisans, prompting them to channel their skills into crafting timepieces, which were deemed functional rather than decorative. Thus, the Swiss watch industry was born, with Geneva swiftly establishing itself as a center of horological excellence. By the 18th century, Swiss watchmakers had perfected their craft, pioneering innovations that set new standards in watchmaking. Among these breakthroughs was the development of the automatic watch mechanism, which eliminated the need for manual winding. Swiss timepieces became synonymous with precision and durability, thanks to relentless quality control and a culture of continuous innovation. The 19th century marked a golden age for Swiss watchmaking, as renowned brands like Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet, and Vacheron Constantin emerged. These maisons revolutionized horology, mastering complex mechanisms such as perpetual calendars and chronographs. Switzerland's reputation as the global hub of luxury watches was firmly established. Even during the tumultuous quartz crisis of the 20th century, when inexpensive Japanese quartz watches threatened the industry, Switzerland endured. By doubling down on craftsmanship, heritage, and timeless designs, Swiss watchmakers not only survived but thrived, reclaiming their place at the pinnacle of luxury horology. Why are Swiss watches cherished worldwide? It's their meticulous attention to detail, the artful complexity of their movements, and the legacy of excellence passed down through generations. A Swiss watch isn't just an accessory, it's a story, a masterpiece of tradition and innovation crafted to outlast the fleeting nature of time. Wouldn't you agree that wearing one is like carrying history on your wrist? Bern, the heartbeat of Swiss charm and nightlife. Bern, Switzerland's capital, is a city that effortlessly weaves together historic allure and a dynamic modern spirit. Resting gracefully along the winding Aar River, Bern captivates visitors with its enchanting UNESCO World Heritage Old Town. Cobblestone streets, medieval clock towers, and quaint arcades create an atmosphere that feels plucked straight from a storybook. Yet beneath this timeless charm lies a city brimming with innovation, culture, and an undeniable zest for life. At the heart of Bern's historical treasures stands the Zeitglocke, a majestic 13th century clock tower crowned with an intricate astronomical clock. Every hour, its animated figures perform a delightful show, captivating onlookers with its blend of artistry and engineering. Just a short stroll away, the Federal Palace stands as a testament to Switzerland's enduring democratic principles and rich political heritage. For those seeking tranquility, the Rose Garden offers an idyllic retreat, with panoramic views of Bern's red-tiled rooftops set against the majestic Alps on the horizon. As day gives way to night, Bern transforms into a vibrant hub of energy and entertainment. Its nightlife caters to every taste, offering experiences that range from cozy to electrifying. The city's underground bars, housed in ancient cellar vaults, exude a unique ambience where you can savor Swiss craft beers or sip artfully mixed cocktails while striking up conversations with locals and fellow travelers. If music is your passion, intimate live performances in cozy clubs or open-air venues will leave you spellbound. For a more relaxed evening, rooftop bars provide the perfect perch to enjoy a glass of Swiss wine while soaking in the glittering city lights. Bern's cultural scene is equally engaging, with art exhibitions, theater performances, and seasonal festivals ensuring there's always something to discover. From its historic streets steeped in legend to the lively buzz of its nightlife, Bern masterfully blends old-world charm with modern vibrancy. So, are you ready to pack your bags? This magical city is waiting to enchant you. A land of unparalleled beauty. Switzerland's natural wonders are the stuff of postcards. The towering peaks of the Alps dominate the landscape, offering endless opportunities for skiing, hiking, and mountaineering. The iconic Matterhorn, often called the Pyramid of the Alps, is a must-see for any adventurer. Its snow-capped summit and sharp edges make it one of the most photographed mountains in the world. Nearby Zermatt offers a charming alpine village experience, complete with cozy chalets and world-class resorts. Lake Geneva, with its crystal-clear waters and charming lakeside towns, offers a more tranquil escape. Surrounded by vineyards and the majestic Alps, it's an ideal spot for boating, picnicking, or simply soaking in the serene beauty. For those seeking a touch of history, the Chillon Castle on the lake's edge adds a fairy tale element to the scenery. The Rhine Falls, one of Europe's largest waterfalls, is a breathtaking display of nature's power. Visitors can take boat rides close to the falls or view them from panoramic platforms, feeling the raw energy of cascading water. For thrill seekers, Interlaken is the ultimate playground, with activities like paragliding, canyoning, and skydiving. Imagine soaring high above the alpine valleys with snow-capped peaks stretching endlessly into the horizon. Switzerland also takes pride in its pristine national parks. The Swiss National Park in the canton of Graubünden offers an untouched wilderness where wildlife roams freely and trails beckon hikers of all levels. The Val Bregaglia region, with its dense forests and idyllic valleys, provides yet another stunning escape into nature. Everywhere you go, the harmony between human life and the natural world is palpable. Economy, the engine of Swiss success. The Swiss economy is as remarkable as the country's stunning landscapes. Renowned for its world-class banking sector and luxury watchmaking, Switzerland also leads in pharmaceuticals, precision engineering, and high-end exports. Swiss-made products have become synonymous with excellence, whether it's their velvety chocolate or the iconic Swiss Army knives. Each creation reflects the nation's commitment to meticulous craftsmanship and unparalleled quality. Switzerland's banking industry is a global benchmark for stability and discretion, drawing clients from all corners of the world. Financial powerhouses like Geneva and Zurich are epicenters of wealth management, operated with trademark Swiss precision. Beyond finance, the country pioneers sustainable initiatives, heavily investing in renewable energy and eco-friendly technologies that pave the way for a greener future. Switzerland's neutrality has positioned it as a global stage for diplomacy and international collaboration. Home to major organizations such as the United Nations and the International Red Cross, it serves as a hub for fostering global cooperation and peace. A cornerstone of the Swiss economy is its thriving small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs), which are often family-owned. These businesses flourish in a culture that celebrates entrepreneurship and innovation, from artisanal chocolatiers to cutting-edge tech startups. Together, they embody the dynamic spirit that keeps Switzerland among the world's most prosperous and forward-thinking nations. Conclusion. Switzerland is a land of captivating contrasts, charming yet precise, small in size yet vast in its allure. It's a place where cutting-edge innovation meets age-old traditions, creating an experience that's as unique as it is unforgettable. From its intriguing quirks to its breathtaking landscapes, Switzerland offers endless reasons to fall in love. It's not just a destination, it's an adventure waiting to be embraced. So what are you waiting for? Is Switzerland calling your name? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Together, let's continue exploring the wonders of the world, one story at a time.